Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video I would like to address an issue with the Galaxy S24 Ultra's One UI 7 update. So it's been almost 2 months since I updated my Galaxy S24 Ultra to the One UI 7, and honestly there are two main issues that are still bothering me. First was the battery drain, which was thankfully fixed after the May update, but the second is this lock screen delay while locking. It is frustrating that a flagship phone barely a year old is facing this bug even after the multiple updates. The June update didn't fix it either. By the way, if you haven't already, so you can update your phone to the latest June update by simply going into the settings, then tapping on download and install. From here, you can install this June update on your phone. The One UI 7 update was also giving a battery drain, but that was fixed with a May update on my device. Now I get a 1 day and 2 hours of battery life easily, as you guys can see over here as well. I have also turned on this battery protection and some other features that has helped a lot. You can lower the performance profile of the device if you do not use it for gaming or something like that. From the device care, simply tap on light. So if you want to save a battery a bit extra, so you can use this performance profile on light mode. Using your phone on the light performance profile will help you save a bit of battery extra. And if we talk about that lock screen delay, so you can also fix that by simply going into the settings and from here tapping on display. After tapping on display, you have to scroll down to all the way. You have to select screen resolution from here. After tapping on screen resolution, simply tap on QHD+. Then tap on apply. After applying the QHD+, your lock screen delay issue will be fixed. As you guys can see, it is a lot more responsive now. Even with the power button, it will respond the same, as you guys can see. But the bad part about the QHD+ is that it will drain a bit more battery than the normal mode. So if you do not have any issue with the battery drain, so you can keep it on QHD+, or if you will keep on FHD+, you will see this delay. As you can see, there is this glitch or delay while locking your phone. Hopefully Samsung will fix it in the next July update, as this issue is still there and it is really annoying. Also, let me know in the comment section that are you facing this issue on your device or not. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.